In this video, I'm going to go over example 5 on page 1114. They're asking you to find a parametric representation for the cylinder x squared plus y squared equals 4, and z goes from 0 to 1. Now this cylinder, the reason I'm going over this problem in particular is because we've talked about polar coordinates, but now we're talking about parametrizing with using cylindrical coordinates. So let's start with how this looks. So we've got a circle, and here's our cylinder. Great. So we've got a cylinder here where the circle itself has a radius of 2. So we have a radius of 2, and that's defined on a polar coordinate system as x equals 2, right? 2 cosine theta, and y equals 2 sine theta. Now we get that, right? We get that in 2 dimensions. We get that circle of radius 2. Now, we want z to go from 0 to 1, so our cross sections are going to be a circle, but they're going to increase, so you're going to get this volume, right? You're going to get a 3-dimensional object as z increases from 0 to 1. So in cylindrical coordinates, we're just going to set our parameter here to be z, right? So we know that z goes from 0 to 1, so that's going to create the cylinder. Now your r will be with respect to theta and z. 2 cosine theta, 2 sine theta, and z. And then, so we have z going from 0 to 1, but we also need to add that our theta, right? Our theta has to have some restriction here to actually from 0 to 2 pi.